Igama lam ndingu-Edward. Mkondwa.
My name is Edward Mkondwa.
Senza i-production.
We are doing production
yezigubhu
for the drums.
Sisika isikhumba.
We are cutting the skins.
Sisika isigodo.
We are cutting the trees.
Sakhe ngazo.
And then we make that drums.
Nehamura yethu nansi.
With our hammer, we have it.
Nezipikiri zethu nazi.
And then our nails, we have it.
Zonke izinto zikhona lapha.
All of them we have it.
Yizo lezi izigubhu eziphambi kwethu.
Is that in our front?
Sithatha isikhumba sisifake emanzini.
We take this skin and then we put in the water.
Nase sithambile siyasimeta.
If it is wet, we take it off from the water.
Sisika isikhumba round.
We cut this skin right round as we measure the tree.
Nase sisikile sithatha izipikiri siyasibetha.
Then if we cut, we take the nails and then we start to beat it inside.
Sibetha ngezipikiri.
We hit with the nails.
Frank, let us spigiri.
Frank, give us a nail.
Lakson bamba lapha.
Then Lakson catch here. Then we see.
Sibetha ngespigiri lapha.
And then we hit with the nail.
Okay. Okay. Bamba kakhulu. Donsela phansi.
Catch it down.
Donsa lapha siqine.
And then we have to pull it very tightly.
Sibetha ngespigiri.
Then we hit with the nail.
Okay. Bamba izipikiri nazi. Manje siyabetha lapha izipikiri.
Now beat these nails inside.
Jika.
Turn it round.
Bambe siqine lapha.
Catch it to be tight here.
Siyaqala ukubetha futhi ngespikiri.
We are starting to beat another nail inside.
Jika.
Turn it again.
Let this spigiri.
Give me another nail.
Donsa.
Pull it.
Donsa.
Pull it again.
Spigiri. Awumphe spigiri lapho.
Give me a nail.
So betha ngapha kule side. Donsela phansi.
Beat here in another side. Pull it down.
Sifaka esinye.
We put another one.
Okay. Let this spigiri.
Give me a nail.
Donsa.
Pull it.
Sorry, let's speak it here, baby.
Sorry, this nail is bent.
Let's keep Alesi.
We have to remove it and then we put another one.
Don't ask one.
Pull it.
Let's speak it here. Sorry, I'm away.
Sorry, my hammer is down.
Like a straight cut. So keep a little bigger as it.
We have to remove these long nails. And then this one.
Sizawufaka izipikiri ezilingene.
We have to put the nice nails.
Let us izipikiri.
Give me a nail.
Let's keep it there izipikiri.
Then we have
Let's
to
speak
remove
it say to sit.
our nail is too long.
Don't say.
Pull it.
One spigiri.
Nail.
Sawufaka esinye isipikiri sokubambisa.
We put another nail to make it tight.
Manje isigubhu sethu siyalunga.
Now our drumming is coming to be right.
Let's keep in this spigiri.
We have to remove this. Another one is too long.
Awunike esinye isipikiri.
Give me another nail.
Manje sikhatha isikhumba sethu.
Now we are cutting our skin.
Awunibambele Frank. Try mbichani.
Turn it around.
Good mbichani.
Turn it again.
Good mbichani.
Turn it again.
Mbichani.
Turn again.
ukuze sibone.
Let it understand.
Manje kuselele slab plant. Sisika ipende engalunganga.
So now we are cutting a side which is not in good condition.
Sisihlanganisa kanje.
And then we make it like this.
Awunike amura.
Give me our hammer.
Sisika ikhona.
I cut another corner.
Nike ispikiri lakhi.
Give me a nail lucky.
Naso.
Turn it.
Bambungese lakhi.
Kitchen it like it.
Nike ispikiri lakhi.
Give me a nail.
Nikumbese lakhi.
Give me a knife like it.
Damba lakhi.
Catch like it.
Nike ispikiri lakhi.
Give me a nail like it.
Manje siuqedile umsebenzi wethu.
Now I finish our job.
Lesikhumba besimanzi.
This skin were very wet.
Manje sisidonsile siqinile.
And then we touch it. It's right.
Manje nasi lesigodo sethu sibhoriwe ngaphakathi.
So now this is our tree. It's got a hole inside.
Senze ihholo ngaphakathi.
We make a hole inside.
Manje lesikhumba sethu kufuneka some.
So now our skin, it wanted to be dry.
3 days or 4 days.
3 or 4 days.
Sihlale elangeni.
Stay in the sun.
Nase sihlele elangeni sizawudonseka siqine.
If we stay in the sun, it's going to be tight, very nice.
Sikwazi ke manje ukudlala ke manje ngaso.
And then we know that we are going to play with it to make it a nice sound, traditional sound.
Sesomile lapha. Hayi manje nase somile sawushaya ke.
Then if it is dry, we're going to make it a nice sound.
Yeah.
For traditional.
Manje sishaya sesemanzi.
Now we are making sound, but it's still wet.
Siyabonga kuSharp.
Thank you, it's right.
Siqedile umsebenzi wethu wonke.
We finish our job, all of our job.
Sawomisa izigubhu zethu.
We are going to make it dry our drums.
Sharp nesale kahle.
Nice. Have a nice new year.
Sound yalesi sifuna ukoma manje ene lesinganga.
This sound for this one is one to dry now, but it's too small.
The sound yalesi sisesemanzi asikome kahle. Mara ivoice yakhona enkulu.
This sound This one is now wet, but it's going to be dry. But its sound is very nice, very big sound.
Kusha.
Right.